Hey friends, today we're going to make these really cute, super fun and easy DIY projects. They're Santa Cam ornaments, and they've got different labels on the back, official Santa Cam and different things like that. And there's the Santa ones. The ones that I made are actually the girl and boy elves. So the boy has little shorts and the girl has a little skirt on. But they're a little lens on the ornament, so you hang these on your tree, and it just helps bring some magic to the holiday, and it helps kids want to be good because they think they're being watched by the elves, by Santa's helpers in these little Santa Cam or Elf Cam, whatever you want to call them. So right now, and so they are. It's a PDF file in my Etsy shop, and the link will be below. And they are sized perfectly to fit on a 2.5 by 4-inch ornament. That's what I'm using here. I got these at Hobby Lobby. They come in a pack of 12 for $2.99. Really inexpensive. And so I'm just putting a generous layer of Mod Podge all over the ornament, making sure I get all the edges and corners really well too. I don't want that paper to start flipping up. I want it to adhere on there, excuse me, really, really well. So I'm just making sure the entire thing is covered, and then I will give it a quick dry. But the printables have little gray corner marks, and these are to help you see where you need to cut each little piece. So now that the Mod Podge is dry, I'm just setting them on the ornament straight, and then I will put Mod Podge carefully on top so as to not move that paper. And then I'm just using my mini heat press and ironing them for 15, 20, maybe 30 seconds, giving them a good iron, and that reactivates that Mod Podge and makes that paper stick on there really, really well. So I'm getting the other 4. I'm doing 8 right now. And then I'm just sanding the excess paper off the edges and the top corners. Then I'm going to turn them all over and put Mod Podge on. That's my mini desktop vacuum cleaner. It cleans up all the sawdust and paper particles. So now I'm going to do the same thing on the other side, on the back side of the ornaments. Another generous layer of Mod Podge on the back, just like I did on the front. Dry them really well. You can let them air dry or use a blow dryer if you don't have a heat tool. And then I'm just lining up these on the back, just like I did on the front, parchment paper, then ironing them really well for 20 or 30 seconds probably. I'll get those other 4, and then I will sand off the paper on that side as well, just making smooth edges. But you can see how quick and easy these are. You can make as many as you want. They come with the elf printables, the Santa printables, and then the back labels. I'm just using a stylus to punch through that hole, get them nice and clear for the hole. And you can embellish these in so many ways. You can put rickrack. I got this little puffball ribbon at Dollar Tree last year. That would be cute on the bottom. You could put cording all the way around the edge, or twine. This is some red cording I got last year at Hobby Lobby for Christmas. And so I just cut a piece that looked like it was a good length. Then I just bend it in half and stick the loop through the hole, then pull those tails back through that loop and then tie it off. So I'm just getting 7 more pieces, and I'm going to get the cording in all of these ornaments. I think the red looks really cute with these. And I'm keeping these all fairly simple. Like I said, you could use rickrack, ribbons, lace, anything you wanted. Flowers. But I'm just tying a basic little bow, and I had some regular 1/4-inch red ribbon and then some organza ribbon, and I did a bow on each, trying to decide which one I liked the best. But I ended up going with just the regular red ribbon. And I'm just gluing that bow on top of the red cord that came through that loop, that hole. Like I said, I'm keeping these really simple, quick and easy. These would be great gifts for grandkids, neighbors, friends, great craft fair items. I'm going to put them in my fall craft fair this year. And look how cute they are. Just something fun to hang on your tree for kids to get excited about Christmas. And there's the elf ones all made in the back. You can see the two different labels for the back. And they turned out super cute. And there's the Santa prints. I haven't made those yet, but I will. But see, there's a little lens in the Santa and the elf pictures. Thanks for watching, and be sure and check out the links below for the Etsy listing. You have a whimsical day.